Hey, it's Blake Nelson, Keller Williams. I'm in Leawood Country Manor, just south of 435, but I can actually see Town Center. Amazing location with a highly emotional, one-of-a-kind home. The decor in this house is incredible. It goes on the market soon, it's going to sell fast, in a master suite that has a sitting room, fireplace, huge walk-in closet, and an enormous bathroom. Plus, the backyard, who else has a white limestone fireplace right in the middle of your backyard? This thing is awesome. Come on in. Check out this backyard. I mean, the seating area, the stamped concrete, the freestanding fireplace, it's beautiful. I just opened a bottle of Chardonnay. Don't tell the sellers. I'm gonna take my jacket off and have a drink while I'm here. This place is amazing.